Okay, language explorers. So let's look at today's Tuesday verb. Build. Build. Yes. To make something, whether a business, a building, or something else. To build. I want to build a house. We are building a business. How cool is that? He is going to build a new one. Yeah. She is helping him build a car. Makes sense. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So, we then can say, will you build it for me? Will you build it for me? Will you build it with me? Will you build it with me together? He builds them now. He is building them now. Oops, let's change that. He is building them now. Yeah, the company is building them together. How cool is that? Yeah. So then we can say, I build, you build, they build, he builds, she builds, it builds. Yeah, it builds itself. It builds itself. She builds a new one. She builds a new one. Builds a new one, a new house, new anything. He builds another house. He is going to build another house. Yeah, oops. Yeah, how cool is that? Builds another house, yeah. I will build one. I built one earlier. We have built and built. I built one yesterday. We built it last year. We built it earlier. Built it earlier. You build it with me. You will build it with me. How cool is that? They build it by themselves. Yeah, they build it by themselves. Just them. No one else. Just themselves. Yeah. So, who built that skyscraper? Who built that skyscraper? Yeah. Do you know who built that skyscraper? I don't know who. Okay. I'm building it with them. See, I'm building it with them. Yes. I'm building it now. See, happening now. I'm building it now. Soon we will begin to build it. Yes. The building will start next week. Next week. Yeah. We will start to build it soon. Soon. Start to build it soon. How cool is that, language explorers? So yeah, build. To make something, like a business or a building. Like to be building things. We are building things. We're building things. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So build. Yeah. So can you use build in a sentence? Can you write that sentence in the comments below? And like the video. And subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. Yeah, just look for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.